This one's for 500 subs. So today I'm going to answer a question that I'm sure a lot of you have. How much does the regen braking charge the battery? I'm going to ride down a hill and I'm going to show you how much regen braking it takes to add 1% to the battery charge. The regen level on this bike is at the stock level, which is level 3. I have not reprogrammed the regen braking, and the only notable change I've made to the bike are the 17-inch Supermoto wheels that have the same gear ratio as the stock bike. But first, some wheelies.
He don't wanna be a player no more. Looking at the people with it every time I turn around. I pass out the door. I'm beast mode with it. I got team dead, team hand on the floor. He gets sick. I'm a hoe. I'm not getting my play. Put it there, I'm counting that some more. I've been riding with my brothers, but the rest they home. You know when I'm a nigga, I just gotta be patient. Gotta come from nothing.
So I'm just gonna go basically up into those hills.
Maybe he don't wanna be a player no more. I'm looking at the people with it every time I turn around. I'm gonna beast mode with it. Team dead, team hand on the floor.
So I'm at the hill, and this will give you a little idea how steep it is. Pretty freaking steep. See how long I can wheelie up this little hill. Just keep going, man. I can go forever. A little slow wheelie action. That's pretty good. It's so pretty up here. These houses got great views. Look at that. Ew. Okay, I'm at the top of the hill. I've got, God, that's hard for you to see. I've got 72% on the battery. And I'm just gonna roll down this big old hill and I'll show you what the battery is at the end. All right, 72%, I'm in sport mode, so I've got the regen activated, and I'm just gonna let it go from right here. Forgot to put on music, so it's gonna be kind of boring for me. I'll just dance to no music. Let's see if I can make this turn no hands. Yep. Yep.
Never gonna be the one turn on my brother when police just gotta detain. I won't ever love it, bitch, more than my mother, and that's on my government name. It can't be no sucker, I ain't hating on no one. I wish everybody could pay.
Still at 72.
Every day, getting hot till I land in the grave. Say these boys, suicide doors. College girls, give me the head.
White thing. Take it up speed, baby. No hands, no hands. Alright guys, there you go. The battery is at 73. So what you just saw there was about 1% regen charging back into the bike. Alright guys, there it is. Thanks for 500 subs. I hope you enjoyed. And go ride, I guess. Woo!